30 days, 30 mechanical assemblies, 0 excuses. I'm picking random designs off of Google and rebuilding them from scratch in Solid Edge. How this works is I open up Google, type in EGD mechanical assembly, and then whatever comes up, that's what I'm building today. Okay, EGD mechanical assembly. Let's go with this one. Okay, so we're designing a roller bracket bearing today. I've gone ahead and labeled each component, the roller, the U-shaped bracket on top of the base, and then the spindle shaft, the nut, and then the nut. And the stock image on Google doesn't have any dimensions, so I've just gone ahead and put in my own dimensions. We'll see if it works. Hopefully we don't have to make any adjustments. But yeah, then I also uh, added a tolerance of 0.2 millimeters. Let's get started. So I've already designed the M6. I think we're just going to make use of an M6 bolt because, yeah, I kind of struggled with designing bolts, and so I've just gone ahead and used one I designed in the past, which is an M6 bolt. It's 35.2 millimeter length from that tip to that side, and then 29.9 millimeter from the start of the thread till the end. And then I've also gone ahead and designed the nut so far. Now we just need to design the bracket and the base. I'm just going to design it as one component and then design the roller. So let's get started with it. Okay, so obviously you just go to new isometric part. Okay, then we'll start off with the base. So rectangle by center, F3, has a width of 35 millimeters and a length of 70 millimeters. Okay, then we can increase the height to 20 millimeters. Oof. Yeah, we'll just make adjustments when necessary. Okay, then we'll take it as, sorry guys, I do apologize for seeming not prepared. I am doing this for the first time. Okay, let's go out 5 millimeters. Okay, then create the base of the U-shaped bracket, which I made note of as 5 millimeters. Just create a rectangle so long. Okay, then from bracket to bracket, the length is 19 millimeter. Five millimeter. Sorry, my headset just cut out there for a second. It's a 35 millimeter height. unlock the face. Rectangle by 3 points. Let's make a 15mm diameter. Oh, this thing's not working right there. It's 15mm. I think let's just do this method. So we'll go down 15mm, and then we'll just do circle by center. Okay, and then we can connect the side to the side of the circle. Oh, it's not very... 5mm. Yeah, I'm just making rough estimates right now. Okay, then we can cut these parts. Just extrude the parts. Same aside. Okay. Then we need to make room for the shaft to go through. The tolerance is 0.2mm. The shaft has a diameter of 6. So we'll do... No, it has a diameter of 7, including the threads. Then we'll do a 7.2mm hole, just to allow for tolerance. Just remove this. Straight through. Oh, that looks fine to me. Okay, let's just save this. Call it the base. Day 1. Mech assembly. Okay. Then we can create the roller, which has an outer diameter of 50mm, and then an inside diameter, an inner diameter of 40mm. Okay, so then the width is 18mm. Okay, that's right. Let's make the width 16. So 2mm. So that we can account for the amount of space. Okay, let's make that go out 1mm. Apologies. This hole should actually be much bigger. Of the circle, I mean. Let's just redo this part. It's like 45. Okay. Then make it out by 2 millimeters. So that's maybe 16 to 18. Let's make this thing a bit smaller, otherwise it's not going to fit in the space. Let's make it 15. Okay, and now let's do the bottom circle. So 45mm diameter. You can bring it up by 2 millimeters. Okay. Then it's round. Wait, you don't even have to. You can just round. You don't even have to put these circles in. So if you do the round function, then it looks like the image. Okay, so offset it by 4 millimeters. Yeah, that works for me. This side also by 4 millimeters. Okay, then make a circle for the shaft to go through. Okay, it was 7.2 millimeters. Then we just cut. And you should probably put some thread in there, but I'm not going to do it for this video. I do suck at thread, and I am working on it. But yeah, let's just save this as roller day 1 mech assembly. Okay, now it's time to just assemble everything. So you just isometric assembly, then you just input everything. No, we just need to find everything. Oh my. Okay, so there's the M6 bolt. Achnat. There's the M6 bolt. Then we have the roller. And we have the base. There's everything. Okay, now it's time to assemble everything. Oh my. Cool. I'm pressing buttons I shouldn't. This is the wrong way around. Let's just turn it 180 degrees. My word. Now it's not even working. There we go. Fixed it. Okay, I'll just take it in. And there. Okay, and we can just start building from it. Ah, I realized I should have made the nut a bit, the bolt a bit bigger. That's okay. It's not going to do its job properly, but it'll still work. Just double check here quickly. Just move it a bit in. Okay, now it's just for the roller. Let's put it in the center. There we go. That looks all right. Do you see, like, there's a problem here with the nut and the bolt. It's not getting enough. Um, I will not redesign it now, but all I think is the difference I should make is probably just increase the length of the bolt and then decrease the length between each of these U-shaped brackets. I think it might work better. But oh, we're missing something. We're missing something. We're missing something. We're missing something with the base. So the base has a triangle. Forgot about the base. Okay, so we're going to do the same F3, same length, same width. Okay, connect it over there. 5mm, right? Just connect it there. Then we bring it up 15mm. We can just create a triangle out of it by unlocking this space and then removing this part. Oh my, that was not supposed to happen. And then it will work. There we go. So then we can just go to the assembly, and now it starts to look like the product we saw on Google.